Hey everyone, today we're taking crispy chicken to a whole new level. This is sweet, sour, and spicy chicken. We're doubling down on the crunch with a two-step frying process that will leave your taste buds begging for more. And to top it off, we are creating a sweet, sour, and spicy sauce that's packed with flavor from onions, garlic, peppers, carrots, and so much more. We're serving this deliciousness in a homemade Bao Buns. Or if you want to keep it simple, hot steamed rice for the ultimate comfort food experience. Is your stomach growling yet? Then without further ado, let's dive into the kitchen. To make the double fried chicken, first, let's slice 600 grams of chicken thigh or breast into strips. Once the chickens are sliced, move them to a large mixing bowl to season and marinate. Next, season the chicken starting with 1 teaspoon of salt, ½ teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and finally, for a little smokiness, 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika. Now, just give it a good mix to thoroughly season the chicken evenly. To tenderize and to make the chicken more juicy, pour 1 cup of buttermilk. The buttermilk contains lactic acid, which helps to break down the protein in the chicken. After coating the chicken thoroughly, cover and refrigerate for a minimum of 4 hours or up to 24 hours to let it marinate. Now we'll prepare the crispy flour coating for our chicken strips. On a shallow dish, combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch or potato starch for a crispy golden brown exterior. Next, season with 1 teaspoon of salt and ½ teaspoon of black pepper. To boost the flavor, add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. Just give it a quick mix until all of the ingredients are well combined. After 4 hours of marinating, let's dredge the chicken strips into the flour mixture. Make sure to coat the chicken evenly to ensure a crispy, golden brown finish. Now deep fry the chicken strips in batches for 6 to 8 minutes at 330 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove them and set them aside for a few minutes. The chicken should be cooked by now, but for an extra crispy exterior, increase the heat to 340 or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And refry the chicken strips a minute. And there you go. Crispy exterior? Check. And juicy and tender interior? Check. Let's make sweet, sour, and spicy sauce. And yes, we're taking this classic sauce to the next level. Start by sauteing ½ cup of sliced red onion in a wok over medium-high heat until softened. To add a punch to the sauce, throw in 3 cloves of garlic. And just give it a stir for a minute. Next, add 1 cup of red bell peppers or green peppers or a combination of both for color and the obvious peppery flavor. Stir for 30 seconds. for a convenient and readily available ingredient that provides sweetness and tanginess, add 1/3 cup of tomato ketchup. Next, add 1/3 cup of sweet chili sauce for an extra layer of sweetness and a touch of heat. To add a unique umami flavor, pour 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Let's add ½ cup of water to add more liquid to the sauce. To balance out the flavors, add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar for a touch of sourness. To add a kick of heat, incorporate 1 teaspoon of chili powder. For a more authentic Asian flavor, consider using Korean chili powder instead. Now give it a stir and allow the sauce to boil. Give the sauce a little taste and season with salt and black pepper if necessary. To thicken the sauce, create a slurry by mixing ½ tablespoons of cornstarch with 1 tablespoon of water. Add the slurry to the sauce and stir for approximately 3 minutes until it thickens. Now return the crispy chicken strips. Give it a stir to coat the chicken evenly with the sauce. Turn off the heat and add a finishing touch of ½ cup of thinly sliced carrots and 1 stalk of chopped green onion. And there you have it. Your sweet, sour, and spicy chicken is ready to be enjoyed and served best with steamed white rice. Another way to enjoy them is with Bao Buns. For a step-by-step guide on making a fluffy Bao Buns, check out our video link below. But if you need a quick overview, and this is how we make it. Start by combining in a mixing bowl all-purpose flour, cornstarch, sugar, baking powder, and instant yeast. Mix thoroughly. In a small bowl, combine warm water and oil. Combine the wet ingredients with the dry ingredients. Then knead the dough using a stand mixer for 10 minutes. Remove, knead by hand, place it in a bowl, cover, and let it rise in a warm place for 2 hours. Now you can roll out the dough and cut it into circles. Lastly, steam until puffy and enjoy your homemade bao. And that's it. This dish offers a harmonious blend of sweetness, tanginess, and heat that creates a truly unforgettable experience. The crispy exterior provides a satisfying crunch, while the tender meat inside is juicy and flavorful. We hope you enjoy this recipe, and if you do, please give us a like and consider subscribing to our channel. Thanks for tuning in, and we will see you next time for more quick, easy, and delicious recipes.